This video tutorial I will cover withZone same instant and withZone same local methods of ZonedDateTime class. Here I have defined the class ZonedDateTime demo 1. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created ZonedDateTime object. Then I have created ZoneID object. Then I am calling withZone same instant method of ZonedDateTime object and passing the ZoneID. This method returns ZonedDateTime object based on this ZoneID. Here I have defined a class ZonedDateTime demo 2. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created ZonedDateTime object. Then I have created ZoneID object. Then I am calling withZone same local method and passing ZoneID. This method returns ZonedDateTime object based on this ZoneID.